Docubit is a AAA NAID certified Kentucky business, providing our customers with both on-site and off-site shredding. Docubit provides either a lockable rolling cart or a lockable executive console to securely store your documents inside until your service date. The executive console is filled through the slot at the top or by unlocking and raising the flip top, which allows entire boxes to be dumped at one time. On your regularly scheduled service, a badged Docubit service technician will unlock and remove the bag from your console and empty the contents into a rolling cart. The locked rolling cart is then rolled to the mobile shred truck, where the contents are destroyed. It's that quick and it's that easy. Problem solved. The mobile shred truck grinds your confidential information into unreadable confetti-sized pieces that meets all government standards. At the end of the service day, the Docubit shred truck offloads the confetti-sized particles at our secure facility. The Docubit facility is monitored by a 24-hour-a-day closed-circuit digital camera system and is armed with motion sensors and infrared beams. The particles are then baled into 1,200-pound bales and shipped directly to a U.S. paper mill, where they are pulped and remanufactured into new paper products. Call Docubit or fill out the online quote request to receive your free quote. We look forward to providing you with the security you want and deserve. Docubit.